Okay. 2 for 2. Of course, I bought these. Of course I'm going to like them, right? Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. Alright, so what did I get in my Boxycharm add-ons that I've had for quite some time? I possibly got them in May, they arrived in June, maybe early June. I don't remember. But let's see what I got. Okay, I got a lot more than I thought. Does anyone else order add-ons? Forget what you ordered. By the time you open it, it's almost like you're opening a mystery box. Yes. Okay. So, what is this first item? It is from Hey Honey. And it's Trick and Treat Concealer. What? I ordered a concealer? That's a fancy big box for a concealer. Very fancy packaging. Alright, if I can only figure out. There we go. Okay. That is lovely packaging. Fancy concealer. Alright, this is in the shade light to medium. Not safety sealed. I'm already wearing makeup, so we'll just do a little swatch. And by little, can you guys even see that? Alright, it's right there. Focus. We'll smear it out. Okay, that looks like a great shade for me. Alright, well, did not remember whatsoever. Usually my add-ons are a lot of, you know, skincare, because you got such great deals. Alright, what else did I get? Okay, well, it wouldn't be an add-on haul if I didn't snag myself a brush. This is from Morphe, and it is the M4461, and it's a Duo Jumbo Crease brush. Ooh. Yes, I like it. It's a little narrow this way. It's super, not dense here, but dense down there. Oh, yes. Okay. 2 for 2. Of course, I bought these. Of course I'm going to like them, right? All right, what else did we get? This here is from Aloette, and it's Line Control Eye Gel. Ooh, is this a serum for your under eyes? Don't remember this at all. Nice packaging. Line Control Eye Gel. Oh, Aloette. What did I say before? Aloette. No, it does say Aloette. Right there. Aloette, and then somewhere down here it says Aloette. A hydrating, age-defying eye gel enriched with vitamins A and E, chitosan, and passion flower extract. Not safety sealed. This type of packaging, that's typical. All right. It's right there. Definitely a gel. I thought I was going to have a scent because it mentioned something that sounded like a scent, but I don't smell anything. And you know what I like to do with these clear, soft gel is after I've applied my makeup, if my, I don't know if you can see, my concealer is kind of showing some fine lines, I'll just kind of, on top of my makeup, just kind of dab a little, just a little, get some moisture going. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it just takes away my concealer, but it feels better. Okay, next item. Okay, what is this? This is from Julep, and it's Eye Care 101 Prime and Refresh Stick. What? You know, I got some serious under eye issues, so when I see something, I snag it on up. She doesn't want to leave the box. That was very difficult. Interesting. The box is much larger than the actual product. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, so you twist up, and then you go under your eye, and it doesn't seem to have a scent. Has a little roller ball, or I don't know. When I'm not wearing makeup, I will try this under the eye, but I now own it and will enjoy giving it a try. All right, next item. What is this? It is heavy. This is from Hanskin, and it's Hyaluron Moisture Cream. Yes. It's 50 ml, moisturizing and brightening. Yes. All right. Lovely packaging. This is frosted glass, and it has one of those little plastic tops. Ooh. It's kind of creamy gel-like. I love me a good gel cream. Oh, it has a soft scent of loveliness. I don't know. It doesn't smell strong. Not floral. Maybe slight citrus. I don't. Oh, I'm super excited. Something about a gel cream. I don't know. I just love how it feels, the texture, how it absorbs into the skin so nicely. It doesn't peel. I don't know. I am a huge fan of the gel cream. All right. Last item. Ooh, it's also from Morphe. What are you? Highlighter stick. Oh, I hope it's not that color. That's very dark brown. What was I thinking? Maybe it's one of those where the product looks different than the packaging. Oh, yes. Okay, thank God. All right, so that is a lovely kind of champagne shade there. Let's do a swatch. Okay. Oof. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Why? Do you make it look like it's a bronzer shade? All right. I already have some Ofra highlighter on. I don't even know if you'd be able to see this. Ooh, maybe I can. Oh, I already got. Let's just add it right there. I've never used a pencil before, so, but I think it'll be really good for the brow bone. Yes. I already have product there, too. You aren't going to be able to see it. But, yes. Okay, so, I got this so long ago. I have no idea how much I spent. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total, showing MSRP value versus the highly discounted price that I paid. I'm excited. Like I said, when I do these, I buy them, and then it takes a while, and then by the time I decide to do the unboxing video, I have no clue what I ordered. Didn't recall any of this. So what a lovely box. Let's recap what I got. I got a concealer, a highlighter pencil, a lovely gel cream, an eyeshadow brush, an interesting under eye kind of, I don't know what you'd call this, something for under the eye, and an under eye gel serum. What are your thoughts? I got some makeup and a brush. Usually it's all skincare. I'm excited. I'm loving all of my purchases lately. If you haven't done so by now, please check out the 500 subscriber giveaway. It is right around the corner. In order to participate, you must be subscribed. So I'd like to offer that for you now. Please subscribe. For those who have, thank you. You see that little guy right around here somewhere? Looks like this. I would love for you to hit that thumbs up. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by, and I will see you next time.